Well, I was just wondering if we happen to have one here, if you
What?
could you maybe just show us what it's like to...
You don't have a Saxo. Oh, my God!
This is a saxophone.
Are you kidding me?
This is a real... you know how hard it was to find a saxophone. Could you show us the magic? Could you give us a little taste?
Here it is, rare as a Stradivarius. Yes, I will give you a taste. You ready?
Yeah. Wow.
One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, mother. Up. 1, 2, 3.